This is the Stereosis.
Igbo. We must always think about Akuluno, the economic Biafra, as I choose to call it. Not Biafra as a state, but Biafra as in the economic sense. The Igbo people has always tagged themselves to be nation builders. You build other people's terrain and other people's land, and then you allow yours to go fallow, uncatered for. We know most times, we look at the challenges of coming to build in the East. You might talk about the seaports, the airports, and its functionalities. But I tell you one thing. The event of 2023 general election should have taught you all a lesson, a very big lesson, that you must come back home, develop your region. Akuge no obi esie gi ike. Akune ishi obi ike, the Igbo people will always say. But how come? Or what about a situation where Ikpatacha akụ akụtuo ya na alaba? Or ikpatacha akụ lụcha ya bụ onye ọzọ agba ya ọkụ? We must think about our own people, not just for the now, but for time to come. Where do you want us to be? Have you forgotten the dreams that Emma or Michael Okpara had for the Igbo, when an Igbo was the fastest developing economy in the whole of Africa? UNN was built with wealth from industries, which was as a result of the palm production of the southeast in the then eastern region. The excuses you were looking at, or that you're looking at, didn't deter him and were very progressive. Why now? When the Biafrans lost the war, a lot of people's properties were confiscated. Your money seized, and only a minor fraction of your total sum was given to you. Yet, you want to build bridges. You are building a bridge, and at the tail end of the bridge, the person you're going to meet is cutting off the bridge. What do? You come home, reconsolidate, build yourself, and then we go again. That's my wish for Igbo. You cannot develop other people's land and leave yours in tatters. Bido begi lobaya before ipuwilo. Ani sinono amalo ma emegene apunama. Come back home. Develop Igbo. Look at the Lion Business Park in Enugu. I know you. Yes, you. You will rush to Lekki, and then you will buy some, water and then some fuel. When you have a table land at the Lion Business Park, there are lands everywhere in Anambra. Look at Ebonyi, with all the prospect it has for farming. Look at Aba, with all the prospect for industry, production. Is it that we do not churn out enough graduates from the universities in the East that you have to run to Lagos? And this has led to an exodus of people, the youth, and even technically inclined people from the East down to Lagos. Now, on moto Mebia, I will have to go to Lagos for my car to be repaired by my own brothers. Or go to Abuja. That is also a dry land. There is no water. It's a desert. But you choose Abuja, you choose Lagos. Come back home. Let us build as one brothers. And as Salumbala, Ano Ayezura Yencha. Think an Igbo first.